If you've been on YouTube lately, you've probably seen these crazy 3D animated videos blowing up everywhere. Some of them are pulling millions of million hundreds ions of views. And channels like these, they're growing insanely fast, hitting millions of subscribers just by posting simple animated shorts. Now here's what most people think. You need expensive software, you need a professional 3D editor, you need a big budget. But what if I told you you can create the same style of videos without spending a single rupee? Welcome to Chase Profit. I'm Chase Brooks, and in this video, I'm going to show you step by step how to create viral 3D explainer videos using AI even if you're starting from zero. No experience, no expensive tools, just a smart workflow. Before we jump into the process, let's understand why this niche is exploding right now. These videos work because they are fast-paced. They create curiosity instantly and they keep viewers watching till the end. Most of them follow a simple formula, a crazy situation, a problem, and a solution that keeps you hooked. That's exactly what the algorithm loved. And the best part, you don't need to be creative like an artist, you just need the right system. Everything starts with the idea and script. Here's what you do. Open ChatGPT and use a video idea prompt to generate multiple ideas. You'll instantly get 10 high-performing concepts. Pick one that stands out, then generate a full script based on that idea. Now here's the key. Don't just create a boring script. Your script should start with a strong hook, build attention, and end with a clear resolution. That's what keeps people watching. Once your script is ready, just type continue and generate image prompts for each scene. Then again, type continue, and you'll get animation prompts to bring those images to life. Now let's create the visual. For this step, you'll use an AI tool like Flow. Turn on image generation, set aspect ratio to 9:16 for shorts. Choose a good model. Now copy your first image prompt, paste it, and hit generate. Boom. You've just created your first animated style scene. Repeat this for all scenes. Make sure all images follow the same style so your video looks consistent and professional. Now it's time to bring everything to life. Enable the video feature in the same tool. Upload your first image, paste the animation prompt, and generate. Now, your static image becomes a moving scene. Do this for every image, and just like that, you now have a complete set of animated video clip. Next step, voiceover. Use an AI tool like DubDub. Paste your script, clean it, remove extra spacing, scene labels. Choose a natural voice. You can adjust speed, pitch, but honestly, default works fine. Click generate, and you'll have a realistic voiceover ready in minutes. Now grab some background music, go to a free site like Pixabay, search for something like Cinematic, download a track you like. Now open Premiere Pro, upload everything, voiceover video clips, music. Start by placing the voiceover, remove small gaps to make it fast-paced, then match each clip to the voice, add background music, add a slight fade out at the end, and that's it. Your video is ready.
What happens if you touch lava, even for a second? The moment your skin touches it, it starts burning instantly. Your skin doesn't melt slowly, it gets destroyed in milliseconds. Lava is over 1,000 degrees hotter than most fires you've seen. That's why even a quick touch can cause permanent damage. So what do you think happens if someone falls into it?
And just like that, you've created a viral style 3D AI video without spending any money. Now listen, this niche is trending right now, but it won't stay easy forever. The people who start early are the ones who win big. If you found this helpful, hit like, drop a comment, and subscribe to Chase Profit. I'm Chase Brook, and I'll see you in the next one.